Everything that the murder she caused last night was because of me. I done drove her to frustration, and it wasn't her fault. She ain't a vicious cycle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring UNicehair. This is their packaging, and this is what comes in the packaging. It comes with a wig cap, a comb, their 5-star rating card. It tells you just how to win coupons, and it also comes with an elastic band that you can put into your wig. So this is the wig. This is their 24-inch body wave frontal wig. It is in the Brazilian origin, I guess, quote unquote. But this is how it looks straight out the packaging. I just wanted to show you guys this before I went in to color it. It is super beautiful, beautiful body wave hair. So this is how it looks. I was just showing you guys how it looks. It's very, very thick. I think it's 180% density. I will leave all the specs to this wig down in my description box if you guys want to check it out. So right here, I am going in with my BW2 bleach. The only reason I'm using this bleach is because I had a big bucket and I just wanted to get rid of it. So I literally just took the whole thing and some of the little ones that I had, and I put it into the container that it came in. This is one of the big size, full size buckets. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just putting all of them and the 4 packets of bleach into this bucket, and then I'm going to be right back with more commentary for you guys. Alright, you guys, so I was scrolling on Instagram and I seen this hairstylist put the bleach in this big bucket. So I was like, ooh, that will make my job way easier since I'm dyeing the whole wig. So I poured all that bleach out into this bigger bucket container, and then I went in with my 40 volume developer. I don't recommend doing 40 volume developer. I feel like it's too harsh for the hair, and me using this damn chemical mixture of this fake bleach, no, do not use 40 volume developer. I recommend using 20 volume developer and below, so you can give yourself time to process. Also, I do not recommend doing this method right here. I will try to put a timestamp on my video to show you where you can skip to if you want to skip to where to do it properly, because I did show you guys how to properly bleach your hair in this video as well, but it's towards the end. So I am experimenting and seeing if what I seen on Instagram is true, and no, I do not recommend this. This made my job way harder because it gave the hair a lot of patches in the hair, but I will leave this in just to show you guys my mistakes. Yeah. Alright, you guys, and once I was done mixing this and it was nice and smooth, I just went ahead and I dunked the hair in because that's what she did. I'm not sure if she added a little bit more developer to make the mixture a little bit looser, but I felt like the mixture was loose enough, like it was like watery enough to spread all over the hair. But this was not good because it made the hair like very hard to detangle and stuff. So all I'm trying to do here is just paint the hair and kind of get all the hair, which I did not end up getting all the hair. So I recommend just taking your time and doing this, but I'm going to let this footage play so you guys can watch my failures. You can watch me fail epically, and I'll be right back when I'm coming with the real teaching method. Alright, you guys, after I was done messing with the hair, I just let it sit for 20 minutes after the whole me messing with it and trying to get all the hair covered, and it did not get all the hair covered. After I let it dry for a day, this is how it looked. It was very patchy and it had like different tones of blonde in it. So this is how it's looking. It did not get all the roots, or the top of the head had some black areas still. So I did go in with my quick blue bleach from L'Oreal. It's my L'Oreal quick blue bleach. I did 4 scoops of powder, and I did 30 volume developer because I can work fast. I can work fast with putting this on. So I did 30 volume developer. If you're a beginner or you just want to take your time with doing this, I do recommend 20 volume developer for everybody. But this is how I make sure that my work is nice and neat and I could get every little crevice on the wig. So I put it on like this and I do the base of the hair. I make sure I section it off into like 5 sections, and I do the back first so it can process quicker if it wants and nobody's not going to see it. I part it out and I make sure that I'm combing it through and I'm putting bleach on every little section. This, you guys want to do it like this. I recommend doing like this. It makes your job super easy and it makes it go by faster because everything is sectioned off. You guys know I love sections, so make sure you're doing it in sections, and this is gonna save your life. Tell me if you try this method and tell me how quickly you bleached your hair doing this method. Like, it really makes your job super easy. So I'm just going in now and I'm putting it at the length of the hair. After you're done doing the roots and you comb it out and make sure it's nice and sleek, you're gonna do the length. So that's all I'm doing right here, and I'm combing it through to make sure that everything is distributed. And this is how I did my second process. So I only did 2 processing of bleach on this hair. I was gonna do some highlights in this hair, but I changed my mind because I don't feel like this hair can go through any more processing, because I used that 40 volume developer and I basically beat the hair up. I don't think I can do highlights on this wig because then it's gonna be bad. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it nice like this. I like this tone. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave the video to play so you guys can see exactly how I place this bleach onto the hair, and I'll be right back when the video is almost over. Question number 5. What is my favorite hair texture? When it comes to wigs, what is my favorite hair texture? Guys, so when I get to the end of this process that I'm showing you, I did not show you how I did the frontal area because it's kind of the same thing. I did go ahead and wrap that hair up in some foil paper. I'm gonna go in with my dark ash blonde, the color 60 from Revlon Color Silk. I love this color. This color helped lift this brassy brown type of color away from the wig. And I'm so sorry if the lighting looks kind of off, so it's making the hair look orange, but you guys already know what you've seen in the intro and stuff. This is exactly how the hair came out after I put this color on it. It came out matte beautiful. So I'm gonna just leave this coloring process right here to play so you guys can see that. I don't really have to talk about it because it's very self-explanatory, and that's basically how I got this color. Also wanted to tell you guys, I recommend 100% to put the hair into sections just how we colored it. Put the hair into sections. This is going to make your life easier. This is going to make you catch every single strand of hair for the colors to go on evenly. Also, I recommend using 3 box dyes of that color because 2, I was really pushing it with 2. And I feel because of the length, the 24 inches, I needed a little bit more color for all the hair to get covered because all my hair did not get covered. So I recommend putting it in sections and getting 3 box dyes. Alright you guys, as you can see right here, the wig did not take to all the colors, so I still am going to go in and massage the hair. We are getting to the end of this video though, so if you did enjoy this video today, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, so I'm going to know that you like videos like this. Also, if you got to this far in the video, please comment down below some, what should you comment today? Comment a girl with some hearts. And I'll know that you like this video. If you guys love my channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, which is very soon. I've been on my schedule a lot lately, so I hope you guys notice and you appreciate it. Bye.
Policeman, officer, police. I think that the murder she caused last night was because of me. I done drove her to frustration and it wasn't her fault. She in a vicious cycle of frustration and it wasn't her fault. I made a vicious cycle